And hey, big guys, open your eyes. What do we say? It's a brand new day. Yawn, stretch, touch your toes. Shimmy, 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 wiggle your nose. Shout out loud, good morning, son. Happy morning, everyone. Hey, little guys, open your eyes. What do you say? It's a brand new day. Yawn, stretch, touch your feet. Breakfast time. Come on, let's see. Oranges and cereal too. Butter, toast, and broccoli stew. Ew! Ew! Who's talking to you? Oh, that cow. Hurry! Go get dressed. Put on the clothes that you like best. Hey, what do you say? Are you ready? Let's go play. That's so weird. You are too small for basketball. Unless you play with someone tall. They're going to shoot them loud. You're too big to use the swings. You should go do big guy things. Oh, Gus. Oh, drama, Gus. Come on, let me just read. Can I just read? It's okay.